Hello, everyone. This is Travis the Trader coming back to you live on Wednesday, September the 18th. I know many of you that are listening are probably on the edge of your seat getting ready for the Federal Reserve, the Fed, in getting ready to announce their decrease of rates 25 basis points, 50 basis points to some people. Who knows? Heck, it would even be a shock if they did anything more than 50. Or for that matter, maybe they don't do anything. Again, no one knows. I guess you should go to maybe some of the betting sites and seeing where the bets are right now and where they see things are going with what the Fed is going to be doing. But one of the products that some people have asked me, by the way, before I forget, please, if you find value with this channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, so that the algorithms can judge me that much more favorably, and that you'll be able to get more helpful product, in order for you not just to become a better trader, but a better decision maker as well. But one of the things that some of my subscribers, some of my viewers have asked me about on this interest rate day by the Federal Reserve has been the 5-year note, Treasury note. The last two videos that I've uploaded was on the 30-year bond, the 10-year note. And generally speaking, those are the two products that seem to be focused, people seem to be aware of. But I wanted to talk to you about another short-term note product. That's what they call the 5-year Treasury note futures, and that's /ZF. It's not bad. Again, I've traded this before. As you can see, it's actually not that bad. It's got quite a bit of volume. It's got about 640,000 contracts have traded so far today. And again, on a day like today, that makes a lot of sense. Its IV is quite high at about a 45. Its IV rank. If we go into the trade itself, if we go into and we look at, let's say, like 37 days to expiration, let's say we're selling a 19 delta put at 109. It's actually not that bad. I would still view it in some ways as a big boy trade /ZF. I mean, you're looking at about it's about $100,000 for one contract of bonds. So you're looking at a notional value of about 108, 109,000. And again, if you keep it small, if you trade it small, trade it in I would say, for those of you trying this product for the first time, maybe do a defined risk. As I said, maybe a put spread, credit spread. If you're directional or selling an iron condor, if you were looking to be delta neutral, I mean, that's fine. That's a good way to go. And again, these are good products because it further diversifies your account, your trading account, if you're just in stocks. So this is definitely something that can provide that much more diversification. And again, looking at the 19 delta, it's about $900 of buying power, making it's about 165, and that's actually not a bad return on capital on something like this. But again, if you're trying it for the first time, keep it short, keep it small. You could keep it short too, of course, but it's something to recognize. Moving on, for those of you who think that you're maybe not ready for futures, there is an ETF. It's IEI. This is the 3 to 7 year Treasury bond ETF. The problem with this, as I always like to say, again, when you look at this, there's really not a lot of liquidity for that matter. Your fills won't be that great. And again, the reason why is you're not seeing a whole lot of weeklies here on the ETFs and the equity side. If you go to 30 days, gosh, if you saw like the 30 delta, that's close to the market price. I mean, you're putting up about $2,300 for $25 credit. Nothing really too fantastic here. Again, if you go 50 days out, using like a 34 delta, that's 45 cents. Nothing great. You're putting up a lot of money and you're making a little. So I wouldn't even look at the ETFs. There aren't any micro 5-year note futures. But again, it's something to recognize, something to maybe further educate yourself on, because it could be a good product, again, to further diversify, therefore further enhance one's portfolio. And again, it's just good to have in your repertoire as you continue to become more sophisticated when it comes to futures, but specifically interest rate futures, which I think are can be very helpful in one's trading account. For those of you, as I said before, that if you did find value, please subscribe to my channel. I will look forward to hearing from you on your comments. And of course, a thumbs up is always a wonderful thing. And I look forward to seeing everyone at the next video.